Technology, part one. Do you enjoy using technology?
Well, I wouldn't call myself a tech or a computer buff, but I enjoy using computers. I'd like to find out more about how they work. When my computer crashes, I never know what to do.
Do you use the internet for your studies?
Yes, I'd be lost without it. I do lots of video conferencing to practice speaking and social media. Like Facebook is a good way to meet up with other students, and I download podcasts that teach English vocabulary and grammar.
Do you have your own computer?
Yes, I have a MacBook Pro. I use it all the time for word processing, browsing website, and catching up with TV programmers I've missed.
Part two. Describe an item of technology you have. That's very important. You should say what the technology is, when you got it, how often you use it, and say how different your daily life would be without it.
I don't have many gadgets, just a computer, a laptop, and my mobile phone. But I'll talk about my computer as it's so useful. It's funny, really. 2 years ago, I was still learning to use computers, how to use email and send attachment, how to access websites. Then I decided to do a digital editing course for video and photography. And so I bought the laptop when I start the course. My husband had a desktop PC, but it was very slow, so I decided to upgrade to to a powerful one because we do a lot of video editing on the course. It's a high spec laptop, very fast, the latest operating system. It boots up really quickly and it's fun to use, so it makes working a pleasure. I've become a competent computer user now. If I didn't have it a Darcy, I'd have to spend more time at college using their computers. But on the positive side, I suppose I'd read a lot more if I didn't have it. I probably waste a lot of time surfing the web, but hopefully I won't have to be without it.
Part three. What do you think are the important things people need to learn when they start using computers?
Well, there are things like how to use the internet, how to enter a web address, how to navigate websites, that kind of thing. But it's also important to know how to back up your files in case your computer crashes, and all about internet security.
What kind of technological developments have made the biggest impact on our life?
In my lifetime, it has to be the internet, of course, but I also think Wi-Fi has made a huge difference to how we interact with the internet. Wireless network at home and public Wi-Fi hotspot mean we can go online easily, access our mail, log into our work internet, and basically be connected wherever we are.
Do computers make it much easier to study?
Definitely, yes. Researching information is much easier with the internet. You can bookmark web pages for further reference, and writing essay is much easier. Being able to cut and paste section of text means you can experiment with organization. So yes, compared to years ago when you had a pile of books on your desk and a pen and paper. It's now much easier.